Right, recording. Here's how to make a raindrop sound from scratch using Massive and Logic. So first of all, create a new sound, software instrument, and straight away it already seems to choose classic electric piano. But by clicking this button here, what's it called? Library, you can change the instrument over here. So there's the E piano. I'm going to switch it to Massive. Choose mono because I'm actually making this for a phone sound. So straight away, that's what it sounds like at the moment. Starting from a new sine wave that we're going to choose here, sine square in the first oscillator. And then start with, we'll drop the wavetable position down to nothing. And turn this noise off, and only needing one filter. So that will use a low pass 2, and we can have the cutoff around here. Resonance we'll come back to. So that's pretty much all we'll need, one oscillator and one filter. And now you can see this envelope button here in Massive. It allows us to change the attack level, delay, decay, and a few other things. So we're going to start by setting the attack right at the beginning, the level of the attacks there, the decay, I think around there, and drop the level completely, and the release and that level can be right off. And still sounds the same because we now need to add that envelope onto the oscillator and the filter that we're using. So just you can do that by dragging and dropping from the little crosshair thing into the first little box underneath the pitch. And you notice it doesn't really do anything yet, but if you move that, it starts using the envelope. Pretty cool to mess around with. So we can also add that onto the amp because we're going to start using the envelope instead of the amp. So this we can turn off now, but you'll realize when you're playing the sound nothing comes out. But now if you click and drag the envelope that we just dragged in upwards and put it to full, that now is being used as a filter, I think. Not a filter, just being used instead of the amp. So now we can come and look at this first filter. You can drop the envelope on the cutoff and the resonance and start using it. You can already hear it. Not really sure what that's really doing, but you can hear the pop sound. So I'm just going to be playing with these for a while until I get something that I like. That's the one. Kind of a raindrop. It's right down here. That's the one, isn't it? Well, I should try it at a lower pitch. Pretty cool. But you can still hear a bit of a reverb in the background, and that's because in Logic, for some reason, this is the sound that we're using. For some reason, it's added a reverb, I think. And to change that, you can go to Smart Controls and Reverb, and drag that right off. Perfect. And there you have it, little raindrop sound. If you're using Massive, I'll upload this so you can just grab it.